I think it was very insightful, both because we started at Northvolt, which is of course a recycling battery factory, and later went to the Sala mine. So we saw both the beginning and the ending of the entire battery and production process.
And for me, it's actually, again, today noticed that sustainability is really important.
That they already try to start at the beginning of the production process with thinking about recycling. That is something that is quite new and that we haven't really done before. Right now, Sala is not really being mined, and it's a cultural heritage site, which we would never have thought of when it was still mining, because then it was just a waste pile. It was just like discarded. But now, as you see how tourism flourishes here and how the recreation parks are going, and that there's actually still a lot of minerals to be extracted from the Sala mine, which can eventually also end up at Northvolt. I think everything ties very well together.
That's true. Actually, if we compare the two places that we have visited, we can see that technological improvement can make everything possible. So maybe the difficulties that we have today with technological development, we can also solve all of them. And it was also exciting to hear that they are recruiting many PhD students.
Indeed, yes. For the future.
Yeah.
Go be a member of the PhD student network, because it is very good to see peers and talk to them and their research. And you have a lot of fun along the way, and it's very helpful for your own project to know what we're all doing in the value chain and what other people are working on. It's all very cutting-edge research that we're doing.
Yeah, actually the trips that they have organized can bring a lot of benefits to your project and your research group, I can say.
So be a member and join us here.